Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampadu. Today we're going to learn something about linear equations. An example, solve 20 minus 3k is equal to k plus 12. Now answer, 20 minus 3k equal to k plus 12. When you get a question like this, the first thing you have to do is you group like terms. You group the algebraic terms as one side and you group the constant terms at the other side. You group the algebraic terms at one side and you group the constant terms at the other side. So with this one, we are going to group the algebraic terms at the right hand side of the equal sign, and then we are going to group the constant terms at the left side of the equal sign. And note that whenever a term crosses an equal sign, in linear equations, its sign changes. Note, whenever a term crosses equal sign, its sign changes. So if it is positive, if it is a positive term, it changes to a negative term, and if it is a negative term, it changes to a positive term. So with this one, we are going to group all the algebraic terms at the right hand side, and then we're going to group all the constant terms at the left side. So therefore, negative 3k crossing the equal sign becomes positive. So therefore, we get k plus 3k. Now we send 12 to the left hand side of the equal sign. Now if 12 crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative 12. So therefore we have 20 minus 12 equal to k plus 3k. Now 20 minus 12 is equal to 8, equal to k plus 3k is equal to 4k. So therefore we divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4, here by 4. K then is equal to 2. So therefore k is equal to 2. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch out for more videos coming. If you like this video, click the bell button and like and subscribe. Thank you.